Hello guys and welcome to my channel English with Ouafaa. أهلا بكم في قناتي لتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية مع وفاء. So the video of today is about a new tense which is present perfect continuous. That today we are going to learn about a new tense. That last time in the last video I explained the present perfect, but today we are going to see what do we mean by present perfect continuous and what is that form. Okay, so just follow my video from the beginning till end and you will understand the present perfect continuous concerning the form in the affirmative, negative and interrogative. So let's start my video. Okay, how we form the present perfect continuous in the affirmative form. That the main form is subject plus that we have plus been plus the present participle or verb taken ing plus the object. It's like they have been buying clothes for 3 hours. That expression for 3 hours means that we have to use the verb buy in the present perfect continuous. Now we'll see the affirmative. I mean, how do we conjugate the present perfect continuous in the affirmative form? So the first thing that we have to mention here is to put the subject pronouns by order to notice that when we use have and when we use has. Like if we start with I, we use I have been waiting, that we use I would have. You have been waiting, that with you we use have. He has or she has been waiting, that with he, she we use has. And then we have been waiting, that with we use have. And they have been waiting. And as you can notice that the verb wait taken ing from I to they. Is that clear? Now let's see the negative form, how it is formed. Okay, so the form is subject plus have plus not plus been, okay, plus the present participle or the verb taken ing plus the object. Okay, let's see the following example. Jenny hasn't been eating much fruit and vegetables lately. So that expression lately is used with present perfect continuous. Okay, now let's see the negative form. Okay, that with negative form we add not and we keep that verb taken ing. Okay, it's like I have not been waiting. Okay, you have not been waiting. And then he has not been waiting or she has not been waiting. And then with the we use we have not been waiting. And for the last one, they have not been waiting. Okay, as you can notice that waiting is taken ing from I to they. Even with negative, we keep that ing. Now we have a small rule that we can contract the negative form of the auxiliary verb have, which means that we can use have not or haven't, has not or hasn't. And the meaning doesn't change. Is that we have full form and we have short form. Like the first one, we can use I haven't instead of I have not. You have not, I can use you haven't. He has not or she has not, I can use he or she hasn't. Okay? And for example, we can use we have not been waiting or we haven't. Okay, we haven't. And the last one, they have not been waiting. I can use they haven't instead of they have not. So this is concerned the contraction that we have full form and we have negative form when we are talking about negative form. Then let's see the interrogative. I mean, how do we form the present perfect continuous and the negative? That we start with auxiliary have, then subject, then been, then the present participle or verb taken ing, and then the object. Okay, let's see the following example. Have you been feeding the dog? Have you been feeding the dog? Okay, have you been feeding the dog? Here, even we have the interrogative, the question, the verb taken ing. Okay, now let's see how do we conjugate that form in the interrogative from I to they. That we make a kind of inversion. يعني كنديروا l'inversion. I mean, if I have subject plus auxiliary have, I start with the auxiliary have and then the subject. Okay, like for example, if you can notice here that we have I been waiting? So at the beginning I have been waiting, and then I make a kind of inversion, l'inversion. Have I been waiting? Have you been waiting? Has he been waiting? Has she been waiting? Have we been waiting? And have they been waiting? Okay guys, I hope that you enjoy my video, and please watch it from beginning till end. And if you have any comment, please write it. If you want something to be re-explained again, please write it again. كنتمنى انكم تشاهدوا الفيديو من البدايه للنهايه. اكتبوا لي في الكومنت اي حاجه ما فهمتوهاش، شي حاجه بغيتوها تعاود تشرح، وانا راه الاشاره. وشكرا لكم بزاف على التشجيعات، وكنتمنى منكم كثر من بارطاج ومن ابوني ومن لايكس. thank you so much for your efforts and for your comments. I appreciate